Today I'm going to show you how I went from 0 subscribers to being monetized within a week. What makes this even more incredible is that this channel is actually a YouTube automation channel and it only has 2 videos uploaded on it.
What did he say?
So the top 2 videos you see right now is the ones that have the most views, and both are videos that I posted within this year. Like you can see that I have just started this channel recently, and the videos before was just me messing around, probably like some Fortnite video or something like that, but not very serious. I privated all of them and I started anew. So my first video was posted on January 2nd and my second one was posted on the 6th. And today is currently the 8th of January and I'm sitting at around 1.2k subs. I apologize, I have to blur out the videos, but you can see the analytics right here. I won't blur out the analytics. You can see that I've been getting a lot of views ever since I posted that first video. This is the first video's analytics. As you can see, look at the analytics, man. It's been popping off. It's still popping off right now. It popped off especially during the middle of the second day. It's racked in a lot of watch hours, and here is the second video. Very similar stats to the first one, but I posted this on the 6th. It's only been 2 days and it has as much views as the first video. It's going absolutely crazy right now. They both have a combine of over 4,000 watch hours, and as you can see, YouTube still hasn't updated that yet. So I think by tomorrow it's going to update and we're going to apply for monetization. It is the next day, January 9th, and we are ready. We are ready for monetization. Monetization review usually takes around 2 to 3 days. I'll update y'all when it gets back to me. It's been 1 day and I'm in the partnership program, so that was pretty fast. Next up, I'm going to explain how I exactly did this, what I did to get monetized within a week. The most important thing that I did is choosing the right niche at the right time. I picked a niche that specifically I am interested in because I have knowledge and experience in this niche. Since I know the ins and outs of this niche, I found a crack in the niche and content that is part of the niche that isn't mainstream yet. I made sure that it is doing very well by checking out smaller channels and making sure it's monetizable. And a cool trick you can do to find out if it's monetized or not is you right click the YouTube channel anywhere in the channel and you click view page source. You'll be brought to a page like this. You do Control F and find monetize, and if you type that in, you'll see something like this, and if it says true, then it's monetized. If it's false, then it's not monetized. If you're wondering what a crack in the niche means, I will give you an example. So an example could be in the video games niche a few months back when the game of the year Elden Ring released. It was a viral niche. It was a crack in the video games niche because there was not too many people making content on it since it's a new game, and there's a lot of demand for it since it's a new game and people don't know what to do. Even I looked up on what to do on YouTube because I didn't know how to beat the first boss. Another example would be Andrew Tate. The guy went viral whether you like him or not, and whoever made videos on him at that time also went viral. So after you pick your niche, you're gonna copy what other people are already doing. So you're gonna look at other channels and look at their videos. What you're gonna do is look at the videos, write down what you know about them, like write down the titles, what kind of content they do, what type of edits they do. You need to know the ins and outs of this niche, especially for videos. Knowing the niche versus making videos on them is two very different things. So whether it's SEO, description, or thumbnails, you just take note of it, and what you're gonna do is just make it better. A free tool that you can use to search up keywords and find niches that have low competition would be vidIQ. It's completely free unless you want to choose the paid plan, which I do recommend. I have it linked in the description below. If you want to learn how to make money with AI, then click this video right here. Thank you for watching, and remember to take action.